Hey guys, happy Sunday. I hope you're having a lovely weekend. And if anyone was out last night, I hope the heads aren't too sore today. I'm just going to be giving you a quick overview of next week's sweat program and also the sweat program in general. The next program is going to run for 16 weeks in line with our CrossFit program. And similar to CrossFit, we're going to have a nice little test week at the end of it. So some of your favorite workouts are going to come up, and it'll be a good opportunity to see how you're progressing in them. As well as that, we are going to switch up the week a little bit in terms of how it's going to be laid out. So Monday and Saturday is going to be your classic sweat marathon days. So where you're going to be working for the guts of 15 to 20 minutes on one side, get a couple of minutes rest, and then you do the same on the other side. On Tuesday, then we're going to have a nice long sweaty erg Tuesday. So a bigger capacity class and lots of work in this as well. So we're going to be generally going for uh, using as many ergs as possible in this class, and then trying not to use the break period in the middle. So working all the way through for your 35 to 45 minutes. Wednesday, then, something you may have noticed over the last few weeks, we've been doing an endurance day or a challenge day on this day, and we're going to keep that going forward. So thinking your 10k rows, your 8k skis. This week we've got a nice little erg golf, so I'll chat a little bit more about that later. But yeah, we're generally going to keep that challenge going on a Wednesday. Thursday then is our sweat and stretch, which is a great opportunity to reset. If you've had a tough week or if the body's feeling a little bit stiff, then this session is really, really good. Still get to sweat, but you'll get a nice stretch at the same time. Friday, then we're going to have our sweat sprint intervals. So this is going to be a sprint or interval style session. And then, like I said, Saturday is going to be our classic sweat marathon as well, with our either repeat WODs or our new sessions. So one other thing to say about the general program is that we are going to have a challenge that is going to be a monthly challenge, and it's going to be a distance challenge. So in every single one of your classes, Monday to Friday, you can accumulate meters that you can rack up over the course of the month to see who covered the most distance that month in the whole of Sweat. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. We've got a board, a Perspex board that's going to go up in the sweat room. You can write your name on the board. After each session, just pop up your meters that you've covered, and then the next time you come in, just literally add the next set of meters to what you'd already accumulated to build up your score for the week. Coaches will be reminding you of this during classes, so no excuse not to get involved and get the meters on the board. So back to next week, we have got, like I was saying, our classic sweat marathons on Monday and Wednesday. We've got a new one this Monday, which is a time-based one, so it's going to be 6 minutes down to one, and we're going to be skiing and running on one side of the room and rowing and skiing on the other side. So it'll be 6 minutes of ski, 5 minutes of running, 6 minutes or 6 minutes of ski, 5 minutes of running, 4 minutes of ski, 3 minutes of running, 2 minutes of ski, 1 minute running, and we'll do the same on the other side. So 21 minutes in total on each side. Erg Tuesday, we have got a big class. 16 people can fit into this if you want, and it's going to be straight through from the back of the room all the way to the front. So you'll go 2 minutes on your ski, 2 minutes on your bike, 2 minutes on your row, 2 minutes on your run. You get 1 minute rest, and then you do it all again for 4 rounds. Coaches will give you 10 seconds in between each of those machines, just so you can change your bike, get out of your rower, that kind of stuff. Erg golf on Wednesday. I think this looks really, really fun. It's going to be 18 rounds, like your classic round of golf, 1 minute on, 1 minute off, and you got to hit a certain distance to get each of your scores. So obviously your eagle's your best. You get 5 points if you get past a certain meter, and so on and so forth. So you're just going to add up all your points to see where you finish. So I think that'll be a really good one to get in for. Thursday, sweat and stretch, a little bit of running, a little bit of biking, and then we're going to go through our upper and lower body flows. So, like I was saying, a really good one to get in at the end of the week. Friday, we've got a nice Tabata style workout, so very sprinty, really, really complementary to your work that you're going to be doing in CrossFit as well. And then our final Saturday session is a repeat WOD. So, if you've done this before, check your score and see if you can beat it. That's all, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we will see you next week.